Yep, this is exactly why we first alert, is to give you a heads up of extremely impactful weather. And that's what we're going to see Thursday into Friday, very likely from a tropical system. Heavy rain is likely, flash flooding as well. We could see tropical storm force winds here, as well as tornadoes, not out of the question, okay? So big changes on the way for the second half of the week. Right now, guys, it's almost 80 degrees. It's even warmer than yesterday. Yesterday, we hit 97 degrees. 95 is the forecast high today. That will also be a record. We'll see partly cloudy skies, maybe a few isolated thunderstorms that will not help cool things off. Even the mountains hit the low 90s today. For perspective, our average high is 82, so this is 13 degrees above average. And the record high is 94, so we're likely to set another record today. We will see relief from the heat at the end of the week due to the tropical system, which right now is exploding in the Caribbean. National Hurricane Center has this thing tracking into the Gulf, a 90% chance that this becomes a tropical system. Essentially, most models are indicating that this will be Hurricane Helene. Now, take this with a grain of salt. This is a GFS model. The eventual track could change, and a little wobble left or right can mean big differences in the impacts we see here at home. But right now, we're projecting landfall on Thursday somewhere between Destin and Tampa. So this will be in Florida, in highly populated, very frequented vacation spots like Destin, Panama City, Alice Beach. We could see a hurricane impact that area on Thursday. For us here at home, heavy rain looks like it will start Thursday afternoon or evening. And you can see the center of the storm right now is projected to move directly over us here in North Georgia. If that is to play out, we will see torrential downpours. We will see spin-up tornadoes Thursday night into Friday. We will see canceled flights, okay? We will see damaging winds. It looks like we will start to see improvements in the second half of the day on Thursday. So right now, the time frame looks like it will be midday Thursday through midday Friday, where we will see that heavy rain, flash flooding, gusty winds, spin up tornadoes. What is the impact? Well, certainly canceled flights, power outages, cancellations of any sports games as well. So this is something that we're going to be watching very, very carefully. Now, we are in a drought. We need the rain, but all of it coming in 24 hours. Look, 3 to 5 inches of rain. Again, that will cause a high concern for flash flooding. So something we're certainly going to be watching very, very carefully. And we will be bringing you updates. We have the biggest team of meteorologists in the entire Southeast. So this is a great time just to park it right here on Atlanta News First, as we will be bringing you hour by hour updates with the storm system. I can tell you improvements are in the forecast for the weekend. It does look right now like the Georgia-Bama game in Tuscaloosa on Saturday should be unaffected by this system.